So unless you were lost in a forest, or on a deserted island, or somewhere in an alternate universe, you would know that one of the most influential and controversial pop figures, Lizzo, has actually finally, hallelujah, lost weight. Yes. Now it's pretty surprising for this pop star who's been one of the biggest, if not like literally and figuratively, the biggest advocates of body positivity, to start a weight loss journey and have significant progress in just the last 5 to 6 months. Ever since she started posting her weight loss journey and having success with losing weight, everybody was making accusations that she was taking, don't get me started, Ozempic. And someone even commented that it was the side effect of using too much cocaine. But is that like really true? She just snorting all cocaine and taking Ozempic? So no. Okay, I'm gonna be pulling back. So no, in this video, I'm gonna get down to the nitty gritty. I'm gonna call Lizzo myself, and we're gonna break down everything you need to know on how she actually lost the weight and the secrets she has been hiding from you so you can lose weight as well, just like Lizzo. So hi, quick intro about me. My name's Adam, AKA Puffy. I was overweight and like really obese for like 18 years of my life. At one point, I was super depressed. I wanted to end my life. I really didn't even leave the house because I was like too scared of being judged and socially anxious. And my life was kind of like a shit show. It was in total shambles. After finally being sick and tired of being sick and tired, I finally started my weight loss journey and I lost over 150 pounds. Later, I got skin removal surgery and now I look and have felt like the best I ever have in my life. I have an amazing social life. I have more energy to go out. Plus, I've helped over 130 people to date lose anywhere from 50 to 100 pounds and never gain it back again. So now, enough about me. Let's talk about the reason you actually clicked on this video. Let's talk about Lizzo's weight loss. Now, first of all, if any of you watching this actually know me, you know how much I really disliked her. And not her music, I actually liked her music, but it was like a conflict of interest thing. I disliked her because of like the body positivity thing, stigma, where she was kind of just like pushing things down people's throat and like glorifying that being obese is okay. I am now very happy because she has such a large influence and a large following that she has started and had success on her weight loss journey. Because those same people that were convinced and kind of brainwashed by her saying that obesity is okay can hopefully realize that it's not healthy, and they can start their own weight loss journey and start changing their lives. So now, did Lizzo really take any shortcuts? Did she do cocaine? Did she do Ozempic? Did she starve herself? Did she do juice cleanses to lose weight? Let's look at one of her most recent posts. So as of recording this video, I don't know when this is releasing, but I'm recording this at the end of September. So in one of her most recent Instagram posts in about August, she mentioned that she was on a caloric deficit and she was on a strength/weight training routine consistently for 5 months. She also mentions she worked incredibly hard for it. It's kind of sad, but it's understandable just based off of human psychology that people are just quick to jump to like crazy conclusions and shortcuts and then like turn around and accuse her of doing all this crazy stuff when they didn't think like she just did hard work and put the like result and effort. It also doesn't really matter what type of diet she was on, whether it's keto, whether it's carnivore, whether it's Weight Watchers, whether it's Atkins, it doesn't matter. All in all, they're basically all the same. They require you to consume less calories than you burn, which is, if you didn't know, weight loss 101. That's all weight loss is all about. Eating less, moving more. That's exactly how Lizzo was able to make significant progress in her weight loss journey in just 5 months. Now, if you're also motivated to start your weight loss journey, but you don't know where to start, what to listen to, who to listen to, or where to even begin, I get it. I was in your shoes at one point. So let me give you the 4-step process on how you can start right now, today. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you my top biggest secrets. So stick around for that. Number 1 would be to figure out your maintenance calories. Now, a long time ago, I posted a video on this channel breaking this down more in depth. But fundamentally, if you don't want to watch that, you can go to a website, you're just going to enter your age, height, weight, etc., and you're going to get like a rough estimate of your maintenance calories. Now, it's not going to be completely accurate, but it'll be good enough for you to start. And now basically your maintenance calories is what your body requires you to have on a day-to-day basis without gaining or losing weight, right? If you just knew what your calorie intake was for 7 straight days, that just take the number and then divide it by 7. That's basically your maintenance, right? Step number 2 would be, crazy concept, to stay in a caloric deficit. Now it's much easier said than done, but once you know your maintenance calories, just reduce a couple hundred from it. Don't do the crazy extremes that everybody tells you, oh, cut your calories by 500. You're gonna feel like shit, right? I'd start with like a 200 calorie deficit and just stick to that. Maybe move more. And so this way, if you just cut it back a little bit, you're not gonna have crazy cravings. This is a mistake that I personally made, so I want you to learn from that. Step number 3 would be to do any form of exercise or movement. All a calorie is a unit of energy. So when you move, like I'm doing right now, I am literally burning energy. So, I mean, as stupid as it is, even if you're just flailing your arms for an hour straight, it's better than you sitting down and doing nothing, right? So it doesn't matter if you exercise at home, at the gym, at the park, literally standing in a corner, moving your arms, but preferably you would do any type of exercise that is inclusive of strength training and some cardiovascular training. Even if you can't go to a gym, you can start doing some body weight stuff at home, right? And then you can progress and progress and progress and progress. It's kind of hard if you're you're very overweight to do calisthenics or bodyweight routines, but you could start and you could progress. And I have a video, it's like how to lose fat the real way. It gives you all a whole bunch of breakdowns and 101 of regressions and progressions of like some of the best exercises to do for body weights, especially if you're like overweight. Now, step number 4 is the actual secret to losing weight. This is the actual secret that helped Lizzo lose weight. No, it's not cocaine, unfortunately, for everybody in Miami. No, it's not Ozempic, unfortunately, for those giant pharmaceutical people that want all of your money. It's something that most people overlook, and that's why they haven't lost any weight yet. It's consistency. Look, straight up, you can have a program that's a 5 out of 10, but if you're consistent with this program 10 out of 10 times, then you have 50 out of 100 results. That's 50%. But whereas if you have a 10 out of 10 program and you're only consistent 1 out of 10 times, which is kind of what most people do, you're only going to get 10 out of 100 results, which is 10% math. So do you see how consistency is actually the real secret weapon to losing weight? It's not all this crazy nonsense. It's not Ozempic, it's not cocaine, it's not Weight Watchers, it's not juice cleanses. It's consistency. But people give up and they fail. And then it's like this never-ending yo-yo cycle. So stop overthinking about what diet to do, or when to start, or the perfect time to start, or what type of exercises you need to do, or what type of needles you need to be sticking up your ass. Please don't do Ozempic, and just start focusing on taking action every day, even if it's messy. There's a cool saying, take imperfect action, right? And always be mindful of your food choices. Stop eating shit. Stop eating fast food. You know it's not good for you. In case you want to make excuses and say you don't have time, you can't cook, you don't have time to cook, you don't have time to exercise, you don't have time to go for a walk, the least you could do is buy a treadmill and walk on it 5 or 10 minutes a day. And we're talking about like $150. It's like a step mill. It's very inexpensive on Amazon. Even if you say you can't afford $150, they have an option for financing options where you can take the $150 and you can pay it off over 12 months. That's like 20 bucks a day. It's just a matter of if you value your health enough to invest into it. So that's all there is for this video, and I wish you nothing but success on your weight loss journey. If you have any questions at all, if you're on your own weight loss journey or you've hit a plateau, feel free to DM me on Instagram or drop me a comment below, and I will reply to as many as possible. If you would like to learn how you could lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days, it'll be the first link in the description below, no pressure. And the only other thing I would ask is if you found this video helpful, informative, or entertainment, click the red button called subscribe for more weight loss gems just like this, and click the thumbs up button to show me you love me. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next one, and have a great rest of your day.